What sets us apart is we're gonna make sure that if we send a guy out there, he's gonna be tested, he's gonna be trained, he's gonna do his safety work, he's gonna understand the job at hand, prepared for it.
So we started as just a welding company in 2015 that kind of went to roustabouts, that turned into supplies, that turned into the trucking and the hydrovacs and the super suckers and the wash crews and the roustabout crews. Then we realized that, man, we're really good at this seller work. We're really good about being around wellheads. We're really good about, understanding that process, so much so that our customers trust us to go out there unsupervised. We are a turnkey solution to anybody that needs piping or any kind of fabrication. We provide all those things because if you're on a facility in a plant, well, that pipe's got to go underground. You're not allowed to mechanically excavate it. Well, guess what? We have the things to do that.
Solutions can range from having people accessible and available to help address a specific need, or it could be thinking outside of the box and evaluating new technologies or new products that potentially could be put together or envisioned to help solve that specific client's need.
We have a supply division, anything from hoses to boards for stripping the casing or the drill pipe to just whatever you need. You need ink on the rig, you need toilet paper on the rig, or on the frac, or bolts or anything they need. Obviously, it's a full-blown man camp out there, and they have to equip those things.
There's not another service contractor in this state, country that cares more about your jobs than we do. And I know you've heard that 1.5 million times, but I promise you, I've seen it behind the scenes of how much this affects us when things don't go right and how detrimental it is to us and how much we actually take it personally when it doesn't go right, when we said something that was going to happen and it didn't happen. Team culture is a family culture here, and I'm going to keep harping on that because I really think it's important. I've seen Danny stay up late at night trying to make sure roustabouts got paid on time because something happened with a paycheck.
Danny very much embodies the culture, leads from the front, and really approaches a service mentality with a can-do attitude.
Just learned early on that you tell that customer we're going to do something, we do it, we stand behind that, or we give him plenty of time to plan accordingly that if we're not able to do it. It's just served us very well over the years.